Peace and harmony to the collective consciousness. I am sending love to the universe and to everyone who is watching this video. Thank you. Today, I have some questions for the collective consciousness. Spirits experiencing human being reality in physical form. Do we remember when we were the creation of atoms, protons, neurons, and electrons? During the stages of creation, at the atomic stage, do we remember? And if you do, enlighten us in the comments. Energy is light. During the stages of photons, carbon, calcium, hydrogen, oxygen, solids, liquids, electricity or gases, do we remember when we were or when we became matter? Do we remember when we were fishes, sand, bugs, rocks, plants, trees, animals, or even stars? Question number 5. Water, earth, air, sun, ether, magical elementals. Do we remember when we were at the stage of evolution? Enlighten us if you. The living entity. In this dimension, during the different stages of birth, spiritual nature means too many different things, too far, too many different people, too many atoms, protons, neurons, and electrons. So please let us all live in harmony on earth. Finally, spiritual majesty, the soul, at its highest consciousness, control life or reality, positively or negatively, in the physical, visible world. Through frequency of nature, pre-creation of death and rebirth, we are in existence. The soul, being knowledgeable and aware of the stages of atomic creation, created the functions of the body. We have come so far, and we came from so far away. Unconditionally love among the collective. Thank you. Share and
What if
comment.
I told you you're not just human, but a celestial being? Imagine this. We're not only living on Earth, but we're also connected to the stars, the universe. Deep inside, we all have a spark, a divine essence that makes us unique. Think about it. Every decision, every emotion, every heartbeat, all part of a grand cosmic dance. So next time you're feeling down or lost, remember this. You are not alone. You are part of something bigger, something celestial. Embrace your inner light and let it guide you. Because you, my friend, are a divine soul. Shine on.
Exposing the power in your breath. Let's begin. Find a comfortable spot to sit soon. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Feel your lungs fill with air. Hold that breath gently for 4 seconds. Now, slowly exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Let the tension melt away. Repeat this cycle 3 more times, focusing only on your breath. Inhale calm, hold, and exhale stress. Feel the peace within you growing with each breath. Remember, you can return to this simple practice anytime you need a moment of calm. You've got this. Take 1 more deep breath. Now slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. You're ready to face the day with a calmer mind.